RPM display. The tachometer is an RPM counter which counts the number of rotation per minute. There are two types of tachometer. One is mechanical, and another one is digital. Here we are going to design an Arduino-based digital tachometer using an IR sensor module. IR stands for infrared rays. IR sensor module have two IR diode. One is for transmitting IR light, and one is for receiving IR light. White surface reflect IR light and black surface absorb IR light. When IR sensor module is powered on, IR transmitter emit IR rays. If any white object came in front of IR transmitter, IR rays reflect from that body, and IR receiver receives these rays, and generate a 5-volt digital output at output pin. Ardino count these pulses, and give the reading in RPM. Here is the connection diagram of this project. 16x2 LCD display has two lines. Each line can display 16 characters. This display has 16 pins. First pin is ground, second is VCC, then contrast, RS, RW, enable, D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, VCC, and ground. Pin 1 and 2 provide the supply for its internal circuitry, and pin 15 and 16 provides the supply for its backlight. We have connected pin number 1, 5, and 16 with the ground pin of Arduino, and pin number 2 and 15 with the 5-volt. Pin number 4 of LCD is connected to the pin number 12, and pin number 6 of LCD is connected to the pin number 11 of Arduino. Pin 7, 8, 9, and 10 are not used. Pin 11, 12, 13, and 14 of LCD display are connected to the pin 5, 4, 3 and 2 of Arduino respectively. IR sensor module has 3 pins: VCC, ground, and output. VCC pin is connected with the 5-volt pin of Arduino, and ground pin is connected with the ground pin of Arduino. Output pin of the IR sensor is connected with pin number 9 of Arduino. This is the code of our project. To control the LCD display, we will first include its library in the program. To include the library, we will write in the first line #include liquid crystal.h. Then we will declare the name of the used pins in the sequence of RS, enable, D4, D5, D6, and D7. IR sensor is connected at pin number 9 of Arduino. Void setup is a function in which we will declare the input and output pins. We are declaring pin number 9 as input pin. Rotate is a function which will count the RPM and return the value of RPM. I and J are two integer type variables. Count is an integer type variable. Its initial value is set to 0. When the IR sensor will receive any pulse, then it will increase the value of variable count by 1. Void loop. This function will run over and over again forever, so whatever we have written inside it will repeat forever. RPM is an integer type variable. RPM equal rotate. This function will call the rotate function and store the count value in the variable RPM. LCD.clear. This function is used to clear the LCD screen. LCD.print. This function will print a message on the LCD screen. Delay 5000. This function will generate 5 seconds of delay. Now, we will write a code on this software. After writing the code, we will save our project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, or the code is incorrect, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Then, we will go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now, to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Now we will assemble our hardware. We will take 3 wires, 1 red, and 2 black. We will use these wires later. Now we will solder a black wire at hole number 1, and red wire at hole number 2 of LCD display. Now we will solder a white wire at hole number 4, and brown wire at hole number 6 of LCD display. Now we will solder orange, yellow, green, and blue wires at pin number 11, 12, 13, and 14 of LCD display. Now connect hole number 16 with hole number 1 using a black wire, and hole number 15 with hole number 2 of LCD display using a red wire. Now connect hole number 5 with hole number 1 of LCD display using a black wire. Now connect hole number 3 with hole number 1 of LCD display through a 1 kilo ohm resistor. Connect the red wire with 5 volt pin and black wire with the ground pin. Now connect white, brown, orange, yellow, green, and blue wires with pin number 12, 11, 5, 4, 3, and 2 of Arduino respectively. Connect the red wire of IR sensor with the 5 volt pin, black wire with the ground pin, and yellow wire with pin number 9 of Arduino. Now we will power up our circuit and test its functionality. When disk is not moving, then LCD is showing RPM value 0, and when disk is rotating, then LCD is displaying the RPM value. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help in your project or to clear your doubts, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To purchase the items used in the video, you can visit our website www.erolltech.com. You can order us on our WhatsApp number also. Thank you so much.